Finding it challenging to grasp certain real estate concepts from your course materials? Explore Classic Real Estate School's collection of free tutorials for a clearer understanding. Classic Real Estate School is known for its extremely high pass rate, personal availability, and training the next generation of not only real estate professionals, but also offers classes for mortgage loan originators, home appraisers, and home inspection professionals. Marlene credits her students' high first-time pass rate, in large part to her knowledge and expertise in teaching adults. She created a learning style that fits all types of learners, whether visual, auditory, reading, writing, kinesthetic, or a combination of styles. She continually guides her students through all of the concepts until they feel confident in their knowledge. Why wait any longer? Take action now. Click on the link to unlock all the free tutorials available to you. They are only a click away,